Ho, 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 ho. So, here comes Father Christmas's elf to say Merry Christmas to all of you. Hello everybody and welcome to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. And I just want to put out a very Merry Christmas message to all of you out there. You wonderful people who are watching my videos, you wonderful people that have subscribed to my videos, and you wonderful people that have thumbed up and liked my videos so that I can grow my channel and everything can become beautiful and fantastic, and we can continue on this journey together of creating videos about plants, house plants, garden plants, and crystals. Crystal skulls, gardens and crystals combined together in one to bring loving joy, passion, and express our togetherness and our love and joy for nature all together. And in these videos, it's a way of giving out my love to all of you and expressing my excitement for plants that I know many of you have, and encouraging others to get involved in the plants and crystals community together. I want to put an extra special thank you out to all of you that have subscribed to my channel. Without you, my channel will never get the chance to grow. So any of you who are watching my videos out there right now that haven't subscribed, please go in and subscribe to my channel. You will help me out so much. I will be so thankful, and this journey will be able to carry on. Now, there'll be a little round figure with my face that will come up next to me here, close to the end of the video, where you can just click on that and easily subscribe straight away. Otherwise, you can subscribe on the red subscribe button that comes down on the bottom right-hand side of every video, or you can go into my channel and subscribe, and well, it's as easy as that. So, all of you, please go in and subscribe to my channel and help me grow this wonderful Gardens and Crystals channel so that I can continue to make these beautiful videos for all of you. It's the Christmas spirit now, it's the Christmas season, and my gift from all of you out there is please subscribe to my channel, because I love making these videos for you. Look at me, I'm all dressed up as a Christmas elf. My hair has disappeared, it's under here. You're not used to seeing me like this, are you? Look. This is what I look like without hair. Do I look good? My ears are out like a little elf. And I love it. Now, in the middle of this video, I did just want to do a video about showing you a plant. My beautiful, behind me, you can see my big, beautiful Monstera Deliciosa is doing so well. I've only had her just over a week now, and she's putting out a new leaf. So I want to show you that close up. But the big problem I have is I don't want to cut her. I don't want to prune her. I don't want to propagate her. I don't want to do anything with her because she's beautiful and those leaves are getting bigger on the top. So I don't know what I'm going to do, because this new leaf that's coming out is literally hitting the ceiling, and I'm wondering how it will be able to go out. I'm hoping that she will just learn to crawl along the ceiling and I can just tie her up some way to keep her as an overhanging plant. I just can't put her down anywhere in my apartment or anywhere because she's too big and she's too broad, so she will just never fit. So she's got to stay up like a canopy, and that is really what I want anyway. That is what I've been saying all along. I really, really want that. So I just want to express my Christmas cheer, and I want to finish the end of my video in the indoor terrace garden, because right now I am in my kitchen. So let me click my fingers and let's go to my indoor terrace garden. So here I am in my indoor terrace garden, and in the meantime, well, you know, like Father Christmas can travel around the world so quickly. Well, I've been around and given a few packages. I'm like his little elf. And in the meantime, my hair grew out again. Can you see that? My hair grew back out again to give a little bit of Christmas cheer. And then what's all this hanging down in my face? Oh, it's a cute little bobble ball. Anyway, Some of my crystals that I've spoken about in my crystal videos want to come and welcome you a very Merry Christmas. So I'm just going to get those and show you them as well. So those of you that have seen my crystal videos, you know who Sarasay is. Sarasay wants to extend a loving Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you out there. He has been helping me and so many of you so much out there. So he just wants to come back into the frame and extend his loving devotion to you all and to me. He's just so fantastic and amazing, and so much is happening with my plants and my crystals and other things and elements in my life. And well, he just wanted to come and say Merry Christmas. And I just want to say, if you haven't gone out and got yourself some crystals yet as part of your gardens, outdoor gardens, indoor gardens, whatever, go and get yourself some lovely crystals. They are full of amazing energy that will just help to boost your life. They're beautiful to look at. You feel their energy, they filter through you, and they make you feel so happy, just like the season's greetings cheers. So I hope by now you've seen that I've got these wonderful Christmas trousers on to boost up the Christmas cheer. I'm just going to get on my little puffy here just to show you my trousers and sing you Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful season together. Well, okay, that is not my forte, but I just want you to look around. All my plants are happy in the Christmas season. I'm happy in the Christmas season. All of you too. I wish you a lovely get together with your families, with your friends, with your plants, with your crystals, and with anyone or anything that you love that makes you feel good, fills your body with joy and happiness. Go out and have yourself a lovely Merry Christmas. I hope you'll see some snow. Some of you won't. You'll see beautiful sunshine, I know that. It's different all around the world, but wherever you are, Father Christmas will reach you anyway. You're going to get something, even if you get it for yourself. What's wrong with buying yourself a beautiful plant or a beautiful crystal? What's wrong with receiving beautiful gifts from people? And what's wrong with giving wonderful gifts out? Nothing. It's all about positive energy exchange, passing it on, passing it around, and just feeling good. Reach your highest point of ecstasy in life. Reach your highest point of happiness. Things that make you happy in life, that is your path in life. That is your meaning on earth. Just enjoy it. Get with your plants, your crystals and everything, and just enjoy the Christmas cheer. I just can't say it enough. I am on my way to Crystal Cottage to enjoy Christmas, and I just can't wait. And up there in our cottage, we could get snow. Between Malmö and our cottage, there is a world of difference in the weather. So we're crossing our fingers. We might get to see some white Christmas cheer. Otherwise, it's going to come directly after Christmas, because that's what usually happens. But anyway, this is only supposed to be a very short video. I am so thankful. I just want to give a thank you out to all of you once again, all of you for watching my videos, and especially all of you that have taken a moment of your time to go in and subscribe to my channel and help me grow this beautiful Gardens and Crystals channel for all of your enjoyment, so that I can spread the love and joy of Gardens and Crystals. And those of you that are watching and haven't subscribed, please just take that couple of seconds it takes to go and hit that button and subscribe to my channel and help this grow. And remember, I am open to suggestions, questions, comments about any of the content that I post, and I just want you to sit back and be entertained and enjoy this, and use what you will and don't use what you won't. It's just to make you happy. Thank you. I am so happy for all the comments I've had. I am so thankful for the suggestions I've had, and I've written a little list, and I will get to these suggestions with time. I have many videos to get through. I will be starting a full-time job again from January. Now, I've had 3 months where I've not been working very much, so I've had so much time to post a video nearly every single day. But I'm still way behind. But in the future, it's going to have to slow down, because I will be working full-time again, but I will be definitely getting videos out every week. No set routine. Don't do routines, because it doesn't really fit in with my lifestyle. I love spontaneity. So let's just be spontaneous. If you hit the bell, you'll always know when one of my new videos is coming up, and then you can go in and see it when it fits you, when you have the time to see it too. So Thank you so much, all of you. Really, this is a big thank you to those people that have subscribed to my channel. And tell everybody about my channel and ask other people to subscribe to my channel, and I will be so thankful. Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you get some wonderful plant gifts, crystal gifts, and all sorts of other gifts that you desire. And I hope you've shared love out with others and enjoy it in whichever way resonates with you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from me, Wesley Peterson at Gardens and Crystals. I will see you with many more videos very, very soon. Goodbye.